Before I set up the headset, let's just have a look in the menu because I want to see if there's a firmware update. So I think this button is the menu. Now it becomes cursors and we can go to settings and we can go down to system and we can say update firmware. And we can say start download, yes. These you cut out and put in there. And that's in the back cover of the user manual. Okay, firmware's updated, it's booted up. You'll notice that the time has come from an internet time server. That's the right time. I'm wondering if I can get it to now display the software version. idea. Now, I found out how to set up a headset key. These buttons are configured by holding them down. Now we've got some choices. Headset is what we want. Okay, so now I think if I get my headset and press this button, sure enough, I can hear a dialing tone now. And I can dial. In fact, let's try. One thing I haven't actually tried is, well, hang on a minute, if I do this you're going to know my phone number. Let's try this.
Wait 10 seconds. At the third beep, the time from Virgin Media will be 11:23 and 20 seconds. At the third beep, the time from Virgin Media will be 11:23 and 30 seconds.
Well, it's not ridiculously loud, but I can see it's loud enough.
The time from Virgin Media will be 11:23 and 40 seconds.
Don't know if there's any.
At the third beep, the time from Virgin Media will be 11:23 and 50 seconds.
Now, can I move the call to my headset? Yes, I think I can. It's now coming from the headset. Now it seems to be coming from both the headset and the phone.
11:20.
And that hung up, so we have to be careful with this, I think. It's not entirely clear which button you press if you want to move the call between the speaker, the headset and the handset. Now it's quite loud. I suspect the speaker is loud and the service, the time service, is quiet.
At the third beep.
Okay, I pick that up and it goes to the handset. Now I think if I just hang this up, it's going to hang up. So if I hold down the speaker button,
from Virgin Media will be 11:24 and 50 seconds.
Now that hung up. That I wasn't expecting. That's not how my phone at work behaves. If I do this,
be 11:25 and 10 seconds.
now the speaker cuts off. I can hear it through the handset. If I hold down the speaker button
and 20 seconds.
And hang up, that preserves the call.
At the third beep, the time from Virgin Media.
I don't like that. I think my wife's going to be accidentally hanging up on people because of that. And I'm going to get in trouble for it. But you can use the headset, you can use the handset, you can use the speaker. It's supposed to be a full duplex speakerphone, so you can talk and listen at the same time. The only thing left to do is I want to set up this decked handset to go with it. So I will be back with that.